So I need to find what is the remainder if 2 to the power 192 when you divide by 6. So it's not a practical idea to divide this entire number, right? So the best idea to figure out a pattern. So let's start with the small powers of 2. That start with 2 to the power 1. So when you divide 2 to the power 1 by 6, what will be the remainder? The remainder is going to be 2 only because you are dividing a smaller number by a bigger number, right? The remainder will be the smaller number 2. Let's take the next power 2 to the power 2, which is 4. When you divide by 6, again 4 will be the remainder. 4 is actually smaller than 6, so remainder will be the same as 4. Next power is going to be 2 to the power 3, which is 8, right? Which is 8. When you divide by 6, what is the remainder? You're getting the remainder is 2. Next power is 2 to the power 4, which is 16. When you divide by 6, the remainder is 16 by 6. Close multiple is 12. The leftover or the remainder is 4. Again, if you take 2 to the power 5, you can see which is 32. When you divide by 6, you can see a remainder is 2. So you can see a pattern, right? See pattern of 2. 4, 2, 4 goes on like that. It's repeat like that. So I need to find what would be the remainder when you divide 2 to the power 192 by 6. So what you can see here is whenever you have 2 to the power of an odd number, when you divide by 6, see you can see odd number, right? 2 to the power 1, 3, 5. In that case, you are getting a remainder 2. The remainder will be 2. Remainder is 2. Or if it is 2 to the power of even number, when you divide by 6, the remainder is 4. So that's a pattern that you figure out from here, right? So now the question is 2 to the power 192, which is an even number. 2 to the power 192 is an even number. So when you have an even number here, power, when you divide by 6, what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. So your answer is option D is the right answer. So this is the best way to solve it. To figure out a pattern, based on the pattern, try to apply that in this question.